Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Black Ops 6 no network connection error, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is make sure that you can just simply restart your PC, and you can restart Xbox or Black Ops 6 as well. Once you do that, you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is restarting your network connection or restarting your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by just unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once that is done, you can go ahead and plug it back in, and then you can turn on Black Ops 6, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can do is use an Ethernet cable instead of a wireless connection, and I do recommend using that because that will also help with less ping, and it will just make your game much smoother. And another thing you guys can do is make sure that your drivers and the game itself is updated to like it's updated to the latest update, I guess, like it's fully updated, because sometimes when you are playing like a previous version, it does glitch and like it doesn't like let you actually go through. So you want to make sure that everything is updated. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.